Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Civil Graphics. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create a 3D logo using Pixellab. So, if you're new in this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn notifications so you don't miss any of my tutorials. So without wasting too much of our time, let's get started. We are here in Pixellab, and for this tutorial, let's us delete this text. So we click on the delete. Now we go to our tools. You click on the third icon right here. Then you click on the square shape. Now let us create a shape. So first and foremost, I will drag this so once I do that, I'll rotate it so you can see this, see my cursor how it's going in the direction. So I'll reduce the width of this and I will rotate it. Then let us place it here. Okay, so we're going to duplicate it. You click on it and you copy. So we're going to place this in the other direction. So let us rotate it. Now we'll place it like this. Now we want to align it with the other one. So I want to create like a roof. Let us rotate it a little bit. So let us place this right here. We increase the size of this. Okay, right now, let us align this properly. At the edge, so you can see, click on it. Now, having done that, let's give it the color. So we give it a black color and we click on the other and give it a black color. We enable and give it a black color. Now once we've done that, we are going to merge these two together. So to do that, you go at the top and click on this. So you can see my cursor where it's clicked on. Click on it, then click on the mark symbol beneath here and select both. Then are you sure you want to merge? Then click OK. So we have merged this together. Now put this right here. Now take your rectangle, your square tool, and let us reduce the size and give it a color of black. So you enable and give it black color. Okay, bring this here and reduce the width and the height. Okay, let's reduce this a little bit. Okay, this sounds okay. Now click on this and duplicate it. Bring this right here. We align it and we click on it again and duplicate, and we duplicate. So bring this here and bring this here. Now let's turn on grid so we can align it. So you can just click here to turn on the grid line or the ruler. So for this, let's just keep this at the top. Then for this, let us just align this. Now this other, we put it right here. Make sure they are both aligned vertically and horizontally. Now what we're going to do now is to merge these four shapes together. Now let's remove the grid lines. Now click on this and click on this. So you select the four squares and click. Are you sure you want to merge? You click OK. So we've merged them together. Now you can place this here. So right now, after doing that, we want to take this to the side and take this to the side. So we just keep them up there. Now go to your shapes and click on it and click on circle. Now we increase the size. So we can use our guideline to make this in shape. So let's turn this on and let's give it 4 and give this number horizontal 4. Then we click OK. So we can increase the size. We can increase the size of this circle. Turn on the guideline, make sure that it's aligned. Now we are going to give this color black. Once you've done that, you duplicate it by clicking on this copy. So we give this copy color white. Then we reduce it and place it inside the black circle. You can use the grid line to make sure it's aligned. Then go to position. Once you click on position, move by 6 pixel, 4 pixel, 3 pixels. Just put it as 1 pixel. So when we click on the arrow direction, it won't go too much. It won't go up too much or it won't go down. It will just move by 1 pixel. So let's place this centrally and horizontally. We have this at the center. So what we want to do next now is to click on this fourth icon at the top. After the Pixellab, the fourth icon, then click on it, click on this beneath, and then third icon right here. Click on both circles and click on the third icon and merge. This will merge both together. You can see this is meshed. Now scroll down to erase color. Then click on erase color and click enabled. Once you click enabled, this will remove the white part and we can increase the tolerance and increase the smooth edge. Let's put the smooth edge and tolerance. Okay, I think this is okay, and we can increase the size here. All right, now we have our shape. The next thing for us to do right here is to cut part of this circle. Now, to do that, we are going to use a trick here, like we used. Now, click on the shapes and we use the square shape to do that trick. So before that, let us lock the window and the roof. Let us lock it so we make sure that it's locked, so their position, you can't move it once it's locked. Only the circle will be able to move. Now for this, we are going to increase the size here. So this part covered with white, we want to cut that part out, leaving it like moving a quarter from the circle. So now let's put that into action. So at the top right here, you click on it and you click on this mark and you merge these two shapes together. You merge them. Once you do that, you see that they are merged. Just like how we did the other, you go to erase color and you erase color. So you can see that that part is cut out. Now we have an half circle here. Not really half, like removed, a quarter is removed. So let us continue. Now we can now bring the windows. So let us unlock the window and the roof. We unlock it, and for this we are going to lock the circle shape. We'll lock it so it doesn't affect what we are doing. Now for the window, we can reduce it a little bit and bring it right here. And for the roof, we can place it right here. So let us see how this looks like. Wow, and this is looking nice. So let us take this right here, change the position. You can reduce the size. You don't want to reduce the height, it is the size itself. So this white dots, let us first position the roof. So position this. Now once we've positioned, let us duplicate by clicking on a copy. Okay, let us lock the roof. Then for this, remember how we did this. We want to place this up here. But before we do that, let us go to our shape tool, click outside the workspace and click on shape. Then we're just going to create like just a rectangle right here. Okay, that's too short. Okay, I think this looks better. So what we're going to do now is to unlock this and merge both together. So click on the roof and the shape we created, then we merge both. So you can see that both are merged. We are going to place this here. right? We are going to take our shape tool again, go to shapes, and we are going to do this. We're supposed to do this first before we create this, but no problem, we can still continue. Now for this, so right now we want to unlock this. So for this and this rectangle we created here, we want to create a sharp edge for this shape. So we ought to have done this for this before moving on to this, but we can still move ahead. So right now we are going to select both. Let us select both shapes and merge. Once we merge, go to erase color and enable. So you can see how it's created a sharp edge. But let's go back and let's go back. So we want to bring this down a little bit. Okay, now let us merge both and go to erase color, and you can put a smooth edges as too. Okay, and this is looking nice. So we can repeat the same procedure here. Now we can now bring our window and place it right here. So you can turn on your grid. We can also increase the grids and place this, let's say 6 and click OK. Okay, now for the shape itself, let us unlock it so we can increase the size to fit in the grid. Now let's place it, let's keep all this apart first, and at the top right here you must make sure it fits in, and let's increase the size. Okay, you can see that it fits perfectly on the grid. Now we can bring the roofs and the other. Let us place this right here for the home. Okay, let us lock this so we can able to work on others. For the home, lock this, the circle, then click on home and replace, sorry, we reduce the size. Reduce the size and place it at center. Then for the other room, place it right at the top. Okay, I think this looks good. Once we increase the size, we place it above. So using the guideline to make sure it's aligned. Now, I want to take our text to go to the icon here and let's edit text. So we can simply place this here and type G homes, or we can give it a name. Let's say gem house or gem homes, all in capital letters, and we click OK. Okay, let's place it at the top for now. Then we go to our font. You can also install fonts, but right now let us use one of these fonts. So we go to my font and we use the Geom bold. We are placing this beneath gem homes. Now we can now give it color. Yes, this is the part we make color, and we unlock everything. So right now we're going to mesh this together, then we give it color. So we click at the fourth icon at the top, then let us select all apart from the windows, and we click on the mesh. So we give it color. Let us give it a color. And for the homes, let us give it color. So right now we're going to merge both together. Now let us merge, so you can see that it's grouped. You can reduce the size, and we can put the gem homes and give this color. And we have our, so for the background we can just decide to make it transparent, increase the size of this and place it here properly. So click at the three dots at the top, then export image, and you can put it in PNG, and for the default use ultra, so it will save in a very high quality and you save to gallery. So the image has been saved. So right now, after exporting this logo, I'm going to convert this 2D logo into a 3D logo. Here we are in the Photo G app, and this is the app we're going to use to convert our 2D logo we designed on Pixellab to a 3D logo. Now, if you don't have access to this, you can download it in the description using the link. Now from here, now we are in the app. You tap on new project, then you go to stickers, tap on stickers and insert from gallery with crop. Once we import it, you can decide to crop it and you can mark it. So from here we can increase the size. From stickers, go to size, increase the size. So let us increase the size. Now after doing that, right at the top you see these three dots at the top. Click on it, then convert to 3D, then click on this green. This will bring out a list of different mockups, so you can see them. Now this is the mockup we want to use. I love 3D. You tap on the blue Arabic, tap on it and tap. Once you tap accept, it will bring out an ADS, a video ADS. Then you wait for it to display. Then you tap on the cancel symbol. Once it is finished displaying, when you tap on the cancel symbol, it will bring out a page where it says please wait uploading. So I'm going to show you right now. Once I click accept, it's going to bring out an ADS. After the ADS has finished displaying, you press on the cancel symbol and you upload. Then you see successfully sent to server. Then you tap on the right, by the right side, tap on it, and this will process the. So this is our logo design, and to save this, you just tap on the black. To save this, you just tap on the black Arabic, and this will save directly to your device. So this is our logo design. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video.